Green flag is out. Oh no, we got a calamity over here in turn 4. A big pile up. Larry Murphy, LaFontaine, Sid Scarborough, Nick Thrash all caught up in it. On the first lap, they were not able to exit out of 3. They got into 4, and cars. Harvis and Callahan. Row 7 is going to be Steven Jernigan and Chris Shaw. Row 8 is going to be the 67 of Logan Bradford. And I believe Tim Dees on the outside of Hinton. Yeah, the 10T, I believe. We're battling a window here that keeps fogging up on us, making it a little bit harder to see. Green flag is out. 30 laps to go. It's Williams out front, but he's got McEnany in his rearview mirror. McEnany is coming on quick. 27 has turned up the wick. Can he get around the 11? Oh, Shawa goes around in the 34, makes hard contact. Brody Williams in it as well. The 34 Daspit just jumps off the hood of Shawa. Man, heavy contact up in turn number 3. Turn 3 seems to be Calamity Corner here tonight. Going to start out of 3 into 4, little nose to tail. Green flag is out. Clyburn, he's going to make it happen quick. He's going to go to the inside. It's McEnany working it up the hill. Williams trying to hold the top spot. McEnany is there, but McEnany loses the front end of the race car. Now it's Clyburn, him and Clyburn. McEnany and Clyburn battling it out. It's Clyburn to the second spot in the back stretch. Contact between Scarborough and Arabi. He goes to the infield, no caution. That'll almost put him a lap down. Here comes Williams. Chase Williams, your leader. .54 goes to the infield. Clyburn has tracked down McEnany. Now he's working to catch Williams, but McEnany gets back around Clyburn. It's a battle for the second position. Williams steadily clicking the laps off. It's 8 complete, 22 to go. .8 of a second off from the first place. It's McEnany. Now 1.3 seconds, losing ground on the 11 machine, but the 11 may have lost the front end of his race car there. Now it's going to be a lot closer this time. 0.6 of a second off. McEnany knows there's a chance now. Williams slides up the racetrack in the same spot again. Turn 2 seems to be an issue for the 11 machine. McEnany's now closed the gap, now 0.3 off the back bumper of the 11 machine. has him in his sights. Can he close the distance? 13 laps complete. Now 14 down. 3/10 off pace is McEnany. McEnany looks to close it about 2 car lengths in the backstretch now through 3 and 4. McEnany's going to be knocking on that door. 2/10 off. He's definitely tracking him down, race fans. McEnany's going to peek to the inside with lap traffic ahead. Chase is going to have to get it figured out before he gets there. We've just passed the halfway distance, 16 to go. 16 laps complete, 14 to go. The 10 machine seems to have slowed down the 11 car as the 11 car tries to work his way around him. This is perfect for the 27. Now the 27 to the inside. They're closer than they've been all evening. Chris McEnany will not let it go. He is battling the 11 machine. Williams able to gather back a little bit of that distance. 3/10. And contact with the 10 car. Now Williams has set sail around the lap traffic. McEnany now going to have to work the 10 car itself. Now Clyburn has found his way in the mix. Clyburn closes on the back door of the 27. Inch by inch, Clyburn gets a little bit closer to the 27. That's 20 laps complete. 21 now complete, 9 to go. Two laps complete. Chase Williams has led them all. 23 complete, 7 to go. Williams has 6 more laps to go. A 1-second lead now on Chris McEnany in the second spot. Clyburn in the third spot. Four to go this time as Williams has to pick his way through traffic. McEnany's still knocking on the back door there. Coming to 3 to go. Chase Williams having the ride of his life right now, the Star Mississippi driver. You know he's got to be thinking, am I going to get it? It's 2 popsicle sticks in the air, 2 to go for Williams. White flag in the air, one more time around. Here he is, race fans, the double checker flag for the Star Mississippi driver. Chase Williams picks up his first win since 2023, the very first win, I believe, ever in the Mississippi Crate Late Model Racing Series. Chase Williams gets it done here tonight.